Hey everyone, this is Komal, a CSE third year student. Hope you guys are safe and doing well at this pandemic situation. So today, on behalf of Freshly Built team, I like to invite you all to our podcast channel that is Talk Freshly Built. And for today's podcast, we have a guest Vishal Sharma, founder of Freshly Built, and I'm so glad to introducing him because he is so curious and so dedicated about his work, passion, and goal. And I'm so inspired by his hard work and achievement. So let's welcome Vishal Sharma from bottom of our hearts. So hi Vishal.
Thanks. Uh, Hi, hello, Komal. Thanks for introducing me to the this podcast. It was a very great experience to hear a great word from you towards me. So, how was your day?
It's good. And what about you?
I think I also enjoyed my day, and right now I am shooting a podcast for our YouTube channel.
Okay. And I hope you are safe and doing great because it's a pandemic situation.
Yeah, I also hope for same for you.
Yeah, I'm also safe. And so let's begin our session. So first of all, Vishal, tell us what is specially built and what is your goal behind this?
Okay, okay. So every whenever you talk about any country, so basically there's a common word that you will hear the multiple times is that a student is the future of any country. So with the freshly built, I want to cater a community that is totally driven by the student, that is totally for the student and by the student. And I have also see a lot of a student that are wasting time on the different social media platform, and then they are becoming a parasite leading to the different issues with their family members also. So different social media platform, what they are doing is they are totally exploiting your emotions. That is the main thing. They're exploiting your emotions and try to get the most of the benefit of your time by saying you by giving you a different type of advertisement. They these things are benefit to them, but not to you on a personal level. And I think if in a broader way, I think we should have a one single platform that can provide a solution to the multiple problem. So with the freshly built, my goal is to empower a student idea, not to exploit the emotions that others platform are uh, exploiting right now. So freshly built is a community for the student and the by student. So I hope you came to know about my goal behind the freshly built. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm clear, but I want to know,
Yeah.
as you said, the other platform create addiction for students and stereotype student nature. Can you explain it in brief and how your platform is different from them?
Okay, okay. So, to explain this condition, let me take one example. So, most of the students spend their time on the Instagram. So, when you say look at the Instagram, so you will find that there are multiple videos or the multiple type of content on a single platform. What you would find after wasting over 30 or 1 hour, meaning 1 hour useful time, is that they are just exploiting your emotions. So now you can have a question, what type of emotions they are exploiting. So they are exploiting your bad feelings. They are suggesting your content on the good feeling. They are suggesting your content on the relationships. They are suggesting your content on the cricket. So they are just exploiting your different emotions. Uh, so I don't want that our students should become a parasite or should be addicted to a single platform. I want that there should be some restrictions. Um, Using this platform to 10 to 15 minutes is not a big problem, but when you see in a broader way, you will find that you are not controlled by you. You are controlled by some AI algorithm that is manipulating your or that is exploiting your emotions. So basically, my My goal with the freshly built is not to exploit your emotions. I want that there should be a system, or there should be a platform that should recommend us a content based on your reading, what you are reading, not based on the history, or the based on the interest that you are currently right now, or what you have in the past time. So if you exploit a past time interest or pastime histories, so that would became you addicted. But if you recommend something or some content based on their reading, so I would say that they will only get what they want, or how much time they want and to spend on a particular platform. Their mind would not say that, oh okay, please do a 5 more minute on this platform. So I don't want a platform that should uh, give you should force your mind that you should invest further 5 to 10 minutes on this, and after that you will find out that you already have wasted your 30 to 40 minutes. So that's my main goal with the fresh limit, and this type of addiction I was referring to in my previous statement. So
It's a great initiative by you for student, and I'm so impressed with this, and I really appreciate that. So now I want to know um, how it gets started. Means how the idea was come into your mind. Why did you think their kind of platform should be there for student development?
so before starting the freshly built, I was working with one startup that failed. But I learned a lot of things from the failed startup, because every failure gives you an learning. So I learned a different things, like how to manage a team, how to manage my time, how to do a different thing at the same time. So after that, I was just traveling down in a metro, and then I was using a social media platform. Then I realized that I have already wasted my lot of a time on this platform. Then I realized that after wasting my lot of a time, that I am not controlled by my mind. I am controlled by some AI algorithm. That is the biggest problem. I think I was assuming that I am controlling myself, but my life is not controlling by me. My life is controlling by some AI algorithm that is exploiting my emotions to waste my time. So I decided, why should not we have a neutral platform, a single platform that that can provide a multiple solutions to the multiple solution to a different problem. So after that, I also face a one biggest problem, that is my content is getting distributed over the different platforms. So what does it mean that my content is distributing over different platforms? So basically this means that for example, let take you have some, you get some link from on a WhatsApp, then you saved it out, and after that you are open a Telegram group, then you save that link on the Telegram. But after some time, what you will find, you will find that you don't remember on which platform you have saved your important link. So
Yeah, yeah.
this was also our biggest problem. So I realized that I should have, or we should have a one platform that can provide a multiple solutions, or a platform on which we can save out our different type of content on a single platform, so that we should not find, or we should not waste our time in just traversing over a different platform to find out a reliable thing or the saved thing in the past. So so I totally believe that student power is the most powerful power of the country. So I want that a student power uh, should not be divided into multiple points. I want to unite them on a single platform that is freshly built. So this is how the ideas freshly built came from, or how the freshly built is started. So I think I hope I have cleared your doubt. I have cleared your queries.
Yeah. It's such a great ideology, and your imagination behind this was absolutely super. Now I'm become so curious. I think other people also want to know your experience. Means explain your experience as a student. What kind of problem did you face from starting of Freshly Built as a startup to till now?
So I would say that my biggest problem is the time management because, as you already
Yeah.
know, I am also a student. That's why I am focusing my time on the freshly built because I want to create a community that is for the student and by the student. So, as a student, there is, I think every student find a difficulties to manage their time. So I also faced a problem with the time management. How should I, what amount of a time I should give to internship, what amount of a time I should give to different studies, research papers, or different project, or learning a new technology, and how to get some time or how to give some times to the physical activities also to make my mind happy and to make my mind relax. So this was the biggest problem that I was facing, is time management. But after the time management, I also think that I have also faced a problem, or I, based on my experience, I have find out that there is some little bit lack of the professionalism in the Indian student or Indian society, because I think Indian society believes that seniority is comes from the age, but I believe that uh, seniority comes from the ideal level, what you are thinking, what you have about going inside your mind. So that's the that this is the point where my ideas is conflicted with the society. So so I would say that I also face some problem with the different percent that lacks a professionalism. So I would recommend that we should also, or our education systems are also focused on the professionalism that we are passing to the student. And after that, I faced a problem that to build a trustable and same minded student team. But now I can say that I have a trustable team and I can believe on my team members, they are very good. so so
I think I want to ask, how do you manage all your stuffs at same time? Means your startup stuffs and your studies. How do you manage all the things at same time?
Okay, so I think it is a very interesting question. I think this is a very common question for the different student. So I believe that, or what I have find from my life is that uh, time management is just all about your decision. Uh, so you can have a question that this is the same line. What do you mean by the decision? So here the decision means by the priority. So if a person have a clear priority about their choices, so I think that person would be a very good uh, manager, or that person can manage a time at a very good level. So time management, I believe time management is all about the priorities, how you are prioritizing the different tasks to the same level. So if you able to solve out your problem of the prioritizing the different thing, I think you would easily solve out the problem of the time management. I am not perfect in this, but I would say I am perfect, partially he solved this problem. Because I have also messed up the different things at the different times because I was also get confused about my decision at the different point. So I would say that I have till now partially solved this problem. So I
Uh,
hope you would get my experience based on the time management.
yeah, such a great experience you have, and I think it is so inspiring. And your efforts, your spirit to achieve this journey of freshly built was outstanding. And
Thank
I'm
you.
also interested to know that what is the toughest time from your journey of freshly built, and how did you overcome from this?
Okay. So every startup face a one biggest problem. So that is to
Yeah.
build a team and to make a people ready to support you and your idea, and to make them at the same level that you are thinking about that idea. So I think this was the toughest time to make a team, uh, a proper team for the freshly built with the because at the same time I was having a hectic schedule with the no proper work style. Or the no, I was also little bit worried about the proper structure. I manage a different team at the same time. So to overcome this problem, I tried out multiple strategies. That strategies failed sometime, but sometime it worked. But I tried out different thing that I was trying, that I was thinking to try out from a long time. I tried through the freshly built, and I I would say that toughest time is not a right time to lose a hope. It is a right time to prove yourself. It's not about you losing a hope at that moment, because if you overcome that toughest time of the journey, I think that now I think you would become able to face any problem in the future. So I would say that everyone should have a toughest time in their journey, so that they can uh, become a hard decision taker, or they can take a hard decision at a re, good, very easily. There should be no difficulties to take a hard decision. So, so I learned a lot from the toughest time of my journey. I think,
Yeah,
uh,
it's really time for all of us, and I think your way to overcome from this is inspiration for those students who give up very soon.
yeah.
And my question is, what is Talk Freshly Built, and what are the benefits you are going to provide through Talk Freshly Built for students?
So, talk facility is a very interesting concept. I was trying to implement this concept from a long time, but to be very honest, I was not sure about it, because I was having a different. As I am in the final year, and so I was also focusing on some placement. So but one day, one of my team member Hitat came to me that we should try this idea out. So I believe I was also having a same idea in my mind, but I am not sure about it. So I agreed with the Hitat, and then we decided that we are moving forward with this idea to start a broadcast. So now the question arises: there's a lot of a broadcast. So uh, what does talk festival to make different from others? So I believe that,
Same is in mind.
yeah. So so basically, I believe that life is a very short time. You can't uh, take an experience of the everything in a so very short period of a 60 to 65 years. It is, I think it is a very short period of time. So I believe that students should not waste out the same mistake that other persons have already done in the past. So through this podcast, I want to gives a different type of experience with the different persons of the different part of India and around the world, so that they can come up with their failures at the different point. Uh, what are the different strategies strategies that they have led to the failure? So what they are recommending to the future student, or the students that are currently right now at that phase. Uh, to move on. So I believe that our society is totally focused on the success, but I think we should also focus on the failure, because always we left out learning from the failure. But I want that we should also learn from the failure. And one of the biggest problem that engineering field is faced, that there are the multiple platform that already focusing on the tier 1 and tier 2 colleges. But I believe that tier 1 college and tier 2 colleges are not the whole engineering society. I think most of the engineering student studies in the tier 3 colleges. I think if you go wise to the quantity, I believe that tier 3 college will properly represent how the engineering field work, and how the things that get done in the engineering sector. So I want to focus on the old tier for colleges, not on the single tiers like tier 1, tier 2. I also want that a tier 3 college should come up. I should come with the different stories of the tier 3 student also, because learning is not about learning from the top student or the top cream layer. I think learning can be came from the average student also, because they have a lot of experience in the failure, so we can learn from the failure also. Uh, we should also have to focus on the majority of the engineering community, because I think tier 2 and tier 1 and tier 2 colleges student, after some time they left out of the countries. But in reality, uh, which community runs the engineering field? So I would say that in the reality, on the in the ground level, the tier 3 student are the most number of uh, uh, persons that actually runs the engineering field in the ground reality. So, if I have to summarize this, so I would say that I want to give a learning from the different experience of the different peoples around the world through the talk freshly built.
Yeah, I think it become very motivational and very inspirable for us, and it become very helpful to solve to tackle our problems. And
Yeah.
and I just want to say what you want to say for new way, and your suggestion, your appreciations for students.
Yeah. So I'm not that much experienced person, but if I have to give a suggestions based on my 21 years of life, so I would say that be very clear about your passion. And please don't choose engineering or any kind of a field if you don't love it, because it is just wasting your time. Do the things that you believe that you would become a best, or a person can do same thing like you. Please explore that thing. Engineering is just a status. Please don't follow the status, because status is with you. Life is not about the status. Life is about you and your decisions. So please be very passionate and confident about your decision, and follow your, and one more thing, follow your confidence, not demotivation. If you follow your demotivation, then I am very sure about that you will definitely get onto the wrong path. And one more thing, I believe challenges comes with the opportunity to prove yourself. No, it is not the right time to lose your hope. So these are the few points that I would say that you be can learn from my experience. These are the totally my experience.
That's amazing. So thank you, Vishal, for giving us your precious time, and definitely everyone will get motivated and inspired by your dedicated journey of freshly built. And
Yeah.
nice to meet you, Vishal. So
Thank you. Yeah.
if you guys have any query and any doubt, you can contact him through freshlybuilt.com, and you can directly contact him through various social media platforms provided below. And for knowing more interesting and more inspiring stories, stay tuned, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Komal, for introducing me to such a beautiful community that we are creating in the
Yeah.
future. I
And
would
I'm
say
so
that,
grateful to you.
yeah, it was not
And I'm
possible
also so
without your
grateful to you.
effort. I would say thanks to you to support this an idea and to my community. I'm very thankful to you. Thank you, Komal.
Yeah. So
Have a
grateful to you.
have a good night, because we are shooting at the
Yeah.
night.
Same to you. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.